How to send WhatsApp messages with quick reply and call to action button. So in this video we will learn how you can automatically send the WhatsApp messages along with these kind of call to action buttons so that your leads can click on this button, reach out to you very quickly, and which will ultimately increase your conversion rate. So if you also want to increase your conversion rate by adding these kind of buttons, just follow this video till end and I'll show you the process step by step. So this is the spreadsheet where I'm having the data of all the business leads, and I'm going to send the automatic WhatsApp message to each person one by one along with a call to action button. For that, I need to connect my Google Sheet with an application which can actually send the WhatsApp messages, and I'm going to connect these two with the help of Pabbly Connect. Well, it is an integration and automation software. You can also reach to this website by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link in the description box. Now firstly, you will have to create your free account from this button. I am already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I'm going to sign in directly and clicking on access now. And you will also get free tasks to test this automation in the free account of Pabbly Connect. Now firstly, click on this button, create workflow, and basically we are start creating our automation from this button. Firstly, you will have to provide a name, enter workflow name here. I am providing a random name as send WhatsApp message with buttons from Google Sheets. Now click on this blue button, create once again, and you will see two boxes in front of you. These are actually trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. When this happens, do this. Understand with an example that let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, send an email via Gmail application. According to our use case, whenever the lead is added in Google Sheet application, send a message via WhatsApp Cloud API application. Well, what is this application all about? The WhatsApp Cloud API, I will tell you later in the video. Firstly, we are going to set our trigger application, which is going to be Google Sheets. Since I'm having my data in the Google spreadsheet only, now you will have to choose the trigger event, which is going to be new or updated spreadsheet row. Now you will see a webhook URL and few set of instructions will appear in front of you, and basically we are going to connect our spreadsheet with the Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. So you will have to follow these instructions one by one. I have copied this URL and I am going back to my spreadsheet, and here I am going to select this extension, then add on, then click on get on, and here I will search for the Pabbly Connect webhooks. Now after searching for the Pabbly Connect webhooks, I will actually get this add-on. Well, I have already installed this add-on in my account, but you need to install it first. For now, I am closing this window, and when I will click on this extension, I will actually find my Pabbly Connect webhooks option here. You will also choose the same and click on initial setup. And here exactly we are going to paste our webhook URL. Okay. So this is the field. I have pasted my webhook URL. Now it is asking for the trigger column. Well, trigger column is actually the last data entry column. Basically, on the filling of which particular column you would like the system to trigger. So I am going to select the C column as my trigger column. Okay. So as soon as the C column will be filled, as soon as the data will be filled in the particular row, basically in the last column, the system will trigger and it will send this particular data to Pabbly Connect, and this is how the automation will take place. Now I will click on this button send test, and you will see the data will be sent immediately. The test data sent successfully. Dummy user was the name, this was the number, and here is the email address. Well, click on submit. Close this particular option and you can see that the same data has been sent. Let me go back to Pabbly Connect and check for the same data, and you can see the response has been initiated. The response has been received immediately. Here is the trigger column which we have actually set. This is the spreadsheet name. Here's the ID, here's the sheet name, the sheet ID again. Here is the row index, and further we have the phone number, name, and the email. So the first step of our integration is actually successful, which was collecting the data first in the Pabbly Connect. Now we want to send the WhatsApp message to this particular person, basically to this particular person. Well, I have used this dummy number, but while sending the actual message, I will show you what exactly you will have to do. But for now, I will move further with this particular section only, alright? Now I want to compose a WhatsApp message along with a call to action button. Yes, I'll be telling you that how you can actually send a WhatsApp message along with the call to action button. So you will have to choose your next application, and here I'm going to select WhatsApp Cloud API. Well, it is the official API of WhatsApp which Facebook has recently launched, and we are going to send the WhatsApp message via this particular application only. And in action event, I will choose send template message. Well, I will explain you this template message in the video only. Just come with me and I'll tell you everything. Click on connect, click on add new connection. Basically, we are connecting our WhatsApp Cloud API account with the Pabbly Connect, for which it is asking for the token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. Now, how you can reach to this website and how you can actually get these details, I'll tell you. You will have to open your browser and type developers.facebook.com. Okay, so I have reached to the website and I'm already logged into the website. So I will directly click on this my app section, and here you will see I have created several apps: my connect message app, for comment test, testing 1 2 3. Well, the very first thing you will have to do is also create an app, and after creating an app, generate a permanent token. You will have to perform these two things, for which I have already attached a video in my description box, and you can actually watch that video and learn the process of creating an app and the process of creating a permanent token. Well, I have already created the app, so I am going to directly open this particular app, and in the left side you will find an option of WhatsApp. So I'm going to select the same and click on getting started, and here exactly I will actually find those three details: the token, the business account, basically the phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID. So copy this token, and again let me tell you, I am using this temporary access token, but make sure you use the permanent token which I am telling you to generate. Okay, this token will expire in 23 hours. Well, I am just creating this video to show you how connections can be made and how the WhatsApp messages can be sent. That is why I am using this temporary token, but again you will have to generate the permanent token, and you can even visit this particular link for the reference. Now it is asking for the phone number ID. Again, copy and paste it here. And the last thing is the WhatsApp business account ID. Well, again I have copied and pasting it here. Click on save and you will see your account will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. You can see it is showing connected. Now it is asking for the template name, language code, selected template ID. Well, what is this template? Basically, while sending the WhatsApp messages, you will have to create a message template first, and then you will have to get it approved via Facebook. Then only you can actually initiate the conversation with your customers. Well, let me take you to my WhatsApp Cloud API account, and under this step 2, you will find this option of here. Basically, click on this hyperlink and you will find various message templates which I have already created and even get it approved. You can see the status of these templates is actually active and few templates are even rejected. So firstly, you will have to create a template from this button. Again, I'm not going to create the template from scratch. You can actually find the video in the description box. For now, I will show you my message template which I have actually created for sending the WhatsApp messages along with the call to action buttons. So you can see the template name is actually send message with buttons. I have chosen the English language, and this is the header. Well, I have not selected any header. In case you want to attach any header along with your WhatsApp message, you can actually select the same. Text and media, both the things can be added in the text. In fact, in the media, you can either attach the image, video, or the document as well. Yes, it has lot of option. I will be clicking on none once again, and whatever the message you will create in this particular box, you can actually find the preview for the same here from the right side. You can see I have composed this particular message, hello one. Well, what is this one? This is actually a variable, and whatever the values I want to keep on changing. Well, I want the name should appear in place of this variable every time I have the new data from the Google Sheet. So that is why I have kept the value in the form of variable. We got an inquiry from you last week for a stay in a resort. Currently, we are giving a discount of 20% on that. Book your rooms quickly. The offer will last only for a week. Jungle Resort team, and you can even find the same thing here exactly, and here the name will be changed every time I will get the new data from my sheet. And let me first increase this zoom percentage so that you can see everything clearly. Okay, so you can notice in my message template, basically in the preview section, I have even added 2 buttons along with the message. Now from where and how I have added these 2 buttons, I will explain you this. Once you will scroll down, you will actually find the option of button, which are actually optional. It is up to you whether you would like to add any buttons or not along with your message, and you can create up to 2 buttons that let customers respond to your message or take action. So how about I first actually tell you in the fresh template that how exactly you can create a template. So I have selected a category as marketing, and I'm going to provide a random name. Let's say my message template name is random only, and just going to select this English as the language, and will click on continue, and you will see this is how I can actually reach to this particular section. I'm going to leave all the data, all the fields blank, and will take you to the button section directly. Read the instructions. We recommend adding the marketing opt-out button. Allow customers to request to opt out of all marketing message. This can help reduce blocks from customers and increase your quality rating. Well, you should actually provide such type of button so that if a user is getting the messages from you, is actually not interested in getting the messages, they can simply opt out from the button. This is actually considered as good marketing strategy, as in this way you will be able to target the relevant audience. Now let me show you the options which you will get in the button section. First is the none, in case you don't want to attach any button. Now either you can attach a call to action button, marketing opt-out button, or a custom button. So first I'll show you the marketing opt-out button. Once you will click over there, you will simply have to click on this checkbox, and you can see your button will be added automatically of stop promotions. How about I provide some random text in this particular box? Okay, so I have added few content so that you can see the preview of the message very clearly. This is going to be the message, and this is how the stop promotions button will look like. Well, I am actually interested in adding a call to action button, so that is why I'm going to select the same, and here you can actually add 2 buttons. One is actually added, and second one is given. Basically the option is given for adding a new button, add another button. Now you just have to choose the type of the action, whether it is going to be a phone number, basically a contact now button, or it should be the visit website button. And let's say I am going to keep one button as the phone number, the second button as the visit website, and here you will have to provide the text to your button. Let's say I am giving the text as contact us and visit our website. Okay, this is going to be the text, and if it is actually the number, you can select your country code. I am going to select the code of India since I am from India, and finally you can add your number here, and this is how when people will click on this button, you will receive the calls directly from your leads. And here you can even select the website URL. You have two options, the static or dynamic URL as well. And this is how the buttons can be added in your message template. Let me again show you the preview for the same, and contact us and visit our website. You can see this is how your buttons will look like. Click on back, and here I am going to open my my message template which I have created. Let me show you. This is the setting of the button section, and here you can see I have added two buttons, one for the call now and another is for the visit website. So let me come back to Pabbly Connect, and I will search for the same template here, and you will see based on this particular button the below fields will be refreshed automatically. So let's say I have just a single variable here, so you will find a single field only to be filled out. You can see the body field 1 is actually that particular variable which I have kept in my message, and further it is asking for few more details. The language code, keep it as it is. Keep this ID also as it is. Finally, it is asking for the phone number. Well, let's assume that you have actually received a genuine phone number from here, so you do not need to copy and paste it manually. When you will click on this particular field, read the instruction, enter text or map data, you will actually find the above data here in the drop down. Even read the instructions, again insert data from previous step. So you just need to simply click on that field, basically on the number field, and this is how you can map the data, and whatever the details you will map here will be replaced automatically, will be changed automatically as soon as the new data will arrive. Assume that the data of second row is actually coming out in the Pabbly Connect, so automatically this data will be replaced here, and the message will get sent to the second number, to this particular number, to the next number. Okay, and for the name also, instead of writing it manually, again I will map it, because again I want to keep on change, okay, in real time whenever it will work. I have the name as the dummy user. Now I am going to click on this button, and you will see the message will be get sent immediately, but before that I'll have to show you one more very important thing. Read the instructions, enter the recipient number with the country code without plus sign. Yes, whenever you will provide the numbers, you will have to provide this particular code without the plus sign and with the country code. So I am going to provide a genuine number here manually, but make sure you provide the real number and you map the number instead of writing it manually. So I have added a real number and will click on this button, but before that let me even show you my WhatsApp web, and here actually I will receive that particular message, that too automatically along with the call to action button. So I have clicked on this button, and you can see I have actually received the response, and going back to my WhatsApp message, and yes, finally I have received that message. Hello dummy user, we got an inquiry from you last week for a stay in our resort. Currently we are giving a discount of 20% on that. Book your rooms quickly. The offer will last only for a week. Jungle Resort team. And you can see here are the two buttons which I have specially added in my WhatsApp message template. Let me show you. These are the same buttons. So this is how you can actually add the buttons, and you can actually send the automated WhatsApp message. Now you must be thinking that the message has been sent only to the first user, so how the message will get sent to rest of the peoples? So you just have to enable a very important option, that is click on send all data, and once you will click on this button, one by one the message will get sent automatically. You can even see that I have actually got the messages on the same number. Why? Because instead of mapping that number, I have manually provided the number, so all of those messages has been sent on the same number automatically. And here you can see each message has the different number, the new form, the dummy customer, and here is the dummy customer. Once again, let me even show you from the top. Dummy user, right here is the test user, the testing customer. So this is how, as soon as you will provide the new number, basically the genuine numbers here in place of this dummy number, the message will get sent automatically from this Google Sheet to WhatsApp of your lead, of your customer, of your user automatically with the help of this automation software Pabbly Connect. So firstly, we have connected our Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect and collected all the data within the Pabbly Connect only, and then further we have sent the same data to the WhatsApp Cloud API application, in which I have created a nice message template, get it approved, and finally after mapping the field, after mapping the data, the message has been sent automatically with the help of Pabbly Connect. And once you will create the automation inside Pabbly Connect, simply close Pabbly Connect, because everything will work in the backend. In case you want to clone this particular workflow in your Pabbly Connect account, the same workflow, I will attach this shareable link in my description box from where you can actually do the same. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.